Hi guys, welcome back to another casual vlog here at my house. So the other day I was vlogging and I was showing you guys some updates that I did to that room, and Joshua and I were getting like our patio furniture out. Then my camera broke right in the middle of vlogging that day. Literally, I was just vlogging outside and I'm pretty sure my camera just broke. I don't know, it's just like all of a sudden not working, which I have had it for years. So anyway, I have my really big camera out right now. If you guys notice a difference in quality change, but the camera that I'm using right now, something's been up with the microphone. So another thing on the docket this week, we are gonna have to probably get a new camera. So I've been waiting a few days, but I just got my new camera today. It's very similar to the last one I got, but I'll show you guys because if anybody is looking for just like a really nice, good point and shoot camera that's not crazy expensive, this is a really good one. This is the Canon G7X. This is the Mark II. The other vlog camera that I had was the first one, just the regular G7X. So this is the Mark II. They also have a Mark III out now, and I was going to get that one because it was only like $150 more than this one, but I chose not to because I saw some really bad reviews about the autofocus and stuff, so I decided against that one. And today is my first day using this camera, so you guys will have to let me know if you notice any difference in quality. I'm still kind of figuring out this camera. I just got it charged and everything. But if you guys are looking for a good camera, if you want to film any videos, or if you just want a good camera for like family videos or whatever, this is the box it came in. This is the creator kit, so you get the camera charger, the camera, and then it came with a tripod and then also a little card for the camera. So that was everything that came in this one. I'll have it linked down below if anybody is interested. But I'm excited to have a new camera because it's been a long time. So I kind of need to update you guys on this room, which is my office. When I did my IKEA video probably a month or two ago at least, I showed you guys these cabinets that we got and Joshua put together in here. I wanted this room to just kind of be like an office slash, I don't know, extra space for me to put things in here. And then I have my big mirror in here. And then I actually just added this cabinet in here. Originally I got this for my dining room, and then I haven't really known where to put it, but it is nice just for storage and like putting files and stuff like that. So I ended up moving my desk back in here. I think originally I had told you guys I was going to maybe put it out there in the landing, but I just chose to put my desk back in here. So this is the progress of this room lately. The room behind me is our landing, which originally we were going to make into like a double office, but now we're just going to keep it as just Joshua's office, and then this is like my office, I guess. I'm going to insert a clip from before. It was like a mauvey pink color, and I've been very busy painting it, just getting it looking pretty. So I painted it, and then there was just like junk everywhere, so Joshua and I got it all cleaned up, but I'll insert that clip now. So this is what I'm working on. Right when you come up the stairs right here, there's this landing, and we've just kind of used it as like our office area and stuff, but it's been this really kind of like mauvey pinkish color. I don't know how well it's gonna pick up on camera, but definitely not really going with the rest of the house vibe, since the rest of the house is white. But I just had extra paint, so I thought I should really just paint this. So this is our upstairs landing that I just painted. So we're going to get this room put back together. So Joshua's just putting all of like the little covers back on. But when I say bandits in his bedroom, this is where he always is. He Haley's just likes to lounge in here, look out the window, sleep. So we call this his room.
All comes around, now it's a matter of remaking the office.
Just don't have it touching.
I'm up just barely against it.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
So as you can see, this is what the room looks like now. Obviously, I would love to change the carpet up here. We had this carpet downstairs, and then we did the floors, like, you know, those floors down there. We just haven't got around to doing the carpet up here because I know it would be a big deal moving all the furniture and all that stuff. In the meantime, it looks really good painted. I basically just had extra paint from when we painted the rest of our house this color. We also didn't do the trim up here. The only room that we've redone the trim is my office up here. As you can see, we did like the Craftsman trim all downstairs and then this room. And we haven't got to doing it in any of the other rooms yet. So that's my little update for here. I'm just gonna walk around and give you guys all my house updates. I'm going to insert the next clip that I had from the other day before my camera broke. Joshua and I got out all of our patio furniture. So rolling that clip. I'm recording. Okay, next on the docket.
Legs.
I know we really need to stay in our deck, but what I've been wanting to do and really excited to do is put all of our patio furniture back out. So this is our coffee table. This will be our 3rd year with this set, I think. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, I have vlogged the whole thing before. It's all from Big Lots, got it a couple years ago, but it's so nice out and I'm just so ready. I'm so ready for this, which is very unlike this time of which is very unlike this time of year in Michigan. It could still potentially snow, actually, but it was actually just snowing the other day, but
We're gonna say it's not.
yeah.
I don't want it to.
So we're just gonna get out all of our patio furniture now.
This is where it was last year, right?
Yep. You can literally see the mark.
No, that's what I was trying to look for. I need to go this way.
The dogs are gonna love having their sofas back. Ooh, there's a stink bug.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, these were all the very light colored ones.
Really?
Yeah.
This color goes here.
Dude, look, your sofas are back.
There's your sofas. Yeah. You can go up. This is yours, right here, see? Yeah. Good boy.
Good boy. Bandit's gonna be excited too. He didn't even want to come outside.
Your lot here. Up here. Where's Bandit?
He was up in his bedroom. This is what dude does though. He always just hangs his head over the edge. Looks out. Now we just gotta get the gazebo all set up. Look, Look at that little cutie. Bandit! Bandit! Hi! Why do you look like a golden retriever? So this is what it looks like. All finished up. I hope it's not like too windy out here. But it looks really pretty too when I get like flowers, and I think I need to get some new throw pillows because I just ended up throwing my other ones out. I had them for 2 years and they were looking kind of rough. So I think this furniture needs like some new bright throw pillows. We need some flowers out here. That would really like brighten it up out here. But I love this set. It's from Big Lots. This is my 3rd year with it and I'm obsessed. I talk about it every year. And then we put our little wind chime out. And then in our gazebo, this is just our little table from Target. Like I said, I've shown this many times before. But if you're new and you haven't seen this, here it is. It's very like cozy and peaceful out here. We also have a fire pit, and that's like the propane tanks that go with the fire pit. And normally we have this right here. This was in our shed, but I ended up just putting this here for now. I also wanted to give you guys a little nail update. I think in my last vlog I had showed you guys my press-on nail situation. Okay, so this is about 2.5 weeks. I've lost 1 nail on this hand. I've not reapplied any of them. And then this hand, I've actually lost 3. And as you can tell, I'm having a lot of issues on this hand. So I never reapplied any of these nails. 2.5 weeks, they did me good. I'm just kind of letting them just fall off naturally now and not reapply any of them. The past 2 weeks, I have been painting. I've been doing yard work, giving my dogs baths. Like, these nails have been through so much. So the fact that it's been 2.5 weeks now and they're just now kind of popping off, I thought these were really good. If you guys saw my last vlog, I was showing you guys, I was trying out these red aspen nails for the first time. I just think they have really good colors, like neutral colors. I loved these. So I'll probably be purchasing them again. But yeah, that was my little nail update because I told you guys I would update you about these nails. I also did a little reel on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure to follow me over there too, because I know it's been like 2 weeks since I posted a video because my camera broke. All of this footage was from over a week ago. I was planning to post a vlog and then my camera broke, and then I've just been waiting to get my new camera so I could give you guys a few like little house updates. Today I'm at my parents' cabin. I feel like this vlog is kind of everywhere. I'm showing a little bit of everything, but today is a Saturday and I came to my parents' cabin. Mom, say hello.
Hi guys.
Joshua went fishing with his brothers at a different lake today, so he's not with me, but we have Bandit, the mama's boy, and then dude is out there fishing away with his grandpa. So anyway, I have done a full tour on my channel before of my parents' cabin. It's very cool. Maybe I'll link it down below so you guys can see it. But we come here a lot in the summer on the weekend, so we just thought it'd be fun. The dogs love it here. It's their favorite place. So I thought I would just vlog a few clips to share with you guys. We're not doing anything crazy. Mom and I are going to go to the grocery store now and grab a few things, but we're just going to be here for the rest of the day. So we just got these. They're little ice creams. Dog ice creams. It's Jude's favorite. And Bandit's. Oh my goodness. Are you gonna have ice cream? Oh my gosh. Okay, come lay down. Go get in your bed. Good boy. Sit. There you go. Bandit, over here. Sit down.
It's amazing the way they eat that. Get those little cups.
Good boy. Bandit. Good boy. So this is the view out here today. It's so peaceful. And the dogs are having the time of their life.
He rolled all the way down the hill.
So now they're fighting over a huge stick. Oh, it just really makes me happy to see them run around and have fun though. Dude, get it from him! Bandit, what are you doing with that huge stick? Oh. I don't think so.
And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.